Welcome to IdeaPlex. Here, we simplify tech, AI tools, and website builders so you can create smarter and faster, no coding needed. Subscribe and start building your digital future today. Looking for the fastest, smartest way to build a website? You've probably come across platforms like EasySite AI and Lovable. Both claim to use artificial intelligence to help you launch websites quickly with no coding. But which one actually delivers on its promise? In this video, we're comparing EasySite AI and Lovable side by side. We'll explore how fast they are, how flexible their design tools feel, and which one gives you the most value, especially if you're a solo creator or a small business owner. We started by testing the setup process. EasySite AI promotes a one-click website generator with a 95% success rate. That's a bold claim, but it actually lives up to the hype. You just log in, answer a few simple questions about your business, and in under a minute, you have a fully functional website. Homepage, about page, about. Contact form, blog layout, even images and text, all generated instantly. Let's begin right at the start. This is the EasySite AI homepage after you log in. What you're looking at is the main interface where everything begins. Right away, the platform tells you exactly what it's built for, creating fully functional websites and apps just by chatting with AI. It's not just a design tool, it's a builder that understands your vision and turns it into a working product. It signals that the platform has been well received by the tech and startup community, which is always a good sign for newer users. Now, here's where the magic happens. You can choose to describe your website idea either by text or by uploading an image. Most people will start with the text option, which is selected by default. You simply describe what you want. EasySite's AI takes that input and builds the full site layout, styling, and content for you. This process is incredibly beginner-friendly. You don't need any design skills and you don't need to touch code. Whether you're building your first site or you just want to launch fast, this is a great way to skip the usual technical roadblocks. Here's something really unique about EasySite. It can turn your website into a mobile app with just one click. That's right, no coding, no third-party software, and no extra steps. If your users are mobile first, or if you want to be in the App Store, this is a massive advantage. Right here on the home page, I'm going to describe the kind of website I want. For this demo, let's build a website for a fictional digital marketing agency called Bright Boost Media. Once I've entered that description, I'll make sure the public toggle is off so the site is private for now. Then I simply click the Generate My Website button and let the AI do its job. Once I hit the Generate My Website button, EasySite instantly takes me to the website building workspace. As you can see here on the left, it's showing the exact prompt I entered, so everything is transparent. Right now, the system is processing the request and building the site in real time. What's really interesting is how EasySite gives you two modes at the top, dev and chat. That means if you want to guide the build using more technical input or natural language, you have the flexibility to do both. On the right side of the screen, we get a live status update that says, "We are working hard to generate your website," which is going to take a few minutes. It's not just picking a random template, it's building a custom structure based on what I typed in. That includes the layout, the written content, relevant images, and even interactive sections like forms or testimonials. And just like that, the site is ready. Let's scroll through it together. At the top, we have a homepage banner with a bold title and a short description. Then we move into the services section, followed by a beautiful team layout. There's a dedicated area for client testimonials, and right at the bottom, a fully functional contact form. This isn't just a static mockup, it's a live working website built in under a minute with no design work on my part. Next, let's talk about something most people overlook, the database. This is where EasySite really sets itself apart. Unlike most website builders, EasySite has a built-in auto-saving proprietary database system. Everything you build is structured and saved instantly. But it doesn't stop there. You can also connect it with external databases like PostgreSQL, MySQL, Oracle, SQL Server, and Supabase. And here it is. In just a few seconds, EasySite has generated a fully functional, professional-looking website for my business. On the right, you can see the live preview of the homepage, and the site already includes everything I asked for. A clean header with navigation links, a bold company name, Bright Boost Media, and well-structured sections for services, team, testimonials, and contact. The landing page headline, "Boost Your Digital Presence," is paired with a strong value proposition, ideal for digital agencies. Below that, we have two clear call to action buttons: Start your growth journey and our services, designed to drive user engagement right from the homepage. EasySite even includes pre-written content optimized for a digital marketing niche, which you can easily customize in the editor. If you look at the bottom of the page, EasySite automatically includes some impressive metrics like 300% average ROI, 500 plus happy clients, and 98% success rate. These stats give a professional and trustworthy feel. And again, all of this was generated from just one simple prompt. Now, shifting our focus to the left panel, this is where the dev tools and settings live. Right now, EasySite is prompting us with a powerful feature, the option to enable a built-in proprietary database. This is where EasySite really stands out from traditional website builders. Once you enable the database by toggling the switch, your project gains access to full data connectivity, meaning you can manage customer forms, data-driven dashboards, or even connect to external databases. This kind of speed and automation is what makes EasySite AI stand out from traditional builders. You don't need to drag and drop every section. You don't need to spend hours choosing fonts and colors. The AI makes smart decisions for you instantly. This is huge if you're building anything with dynamic content like listings, product catalogs, or user profiles. Lovable doesn't offer any backend database integration, which limits its potential for advanced or scalable projects. We also looked at overall speed and performance. EasySite is lightning fast. From creation to editing to publishing, it's built for momentum. Plus, everything auto-saves as you go, so you never lose work. Lovable is responsive but more dependent on your manual input. That makes it a bit slower and more effort-heavy for complex projects. It's ideal for developers and SaaS builders who want functionality and scalability, not just pretty landing pages. Once you're satisfied with your website and ready to make it public, just hit the publish button in the top right corner. And just like that, your project is live. This confirmation screen shows up, telling you that your website has been successfully deployed. You can now access your fully functional site through the auto-generated URL shown here. Just copy the link and you're good to go. You can share it with clients, team members, or post it on social media platforms right away. And if you want to go even further, EasySite gives you the option to connect your custom domain. So instead of using the default EasySite generated link, you can have a branded domain like brightboostmedia.com. EasySite gives you more for the price. With their Pro plan, you get everything: full AI generation, manual editing, database support, mobile app export, and premium design tools. EasySite's editor is fully mobile optimized, meaning you can build or edit your site entirely from your phone. That's ideal for busy founders or freelancers on the go. Simply follow the prompt that says, "Go to Sites menu to bind a custom domain," and you'll be guided through the setup process. At the bottom of the pop-up, EasySite even includes quick social sharing icons, so with one click, you can promote your new site on X, formerly Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, or Instagram, making it super easy to launch your digital presence across multiple channels. Once you're done reviewing this, just hit the OK button and congratulations. Your professional website is now live and ready to be discovered by the world. Now let's talk pricing. EasySite offers a flexible and competitive pricing model that's designed to fit both individual creators and growing businesses. You can start for free and test the platform without any credit card required. But to unlock the full power of EasySite, including features like database integration, mobile app generation, and advanced editing tools, you'll want to upgrade to one of their paid plans. They offer both monthly and lifetime deal options. The Pro and Business tiers come with enhanced capabilities, priority support, and the ability to connect custom domains. If you enjoy spending time on layouts and want a simple drag-and-drop builder, Lovable will get the job done. But if you want to move fast, scale your content, connect databases, or launch mobile apps, EasySite AI is the smarter option. It's not just fast, it's built for growth. Thanks again to EasySite AI for sponsoring this video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with your thoughts. Which builder would you use, EasySite or Lovable? Check out the affiliate link in the description to get 50% off EasySite's Pro plan and start building smarter today.